Welcome to BBQ Pit Boys.com. Today we're grilling up some beef and cheese salsa balls at the pit, and it's real easy to do, all right? We're going to need some ground beef. We got a little ground pork. Here we've got some salsa. Use your favorite salsa, right? We got a couple eggs. Here we've got a chili pepper, right? Here we've got some cheddar cheese. Nice. And here we've got some seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, right? Our SPG. And here we've got some tortilla chips. All right, let's put this together. Now, this is a very lean ground beef, so we're adding some pork to it, right? A little bit of pork, a little bit of fat, and we'll season it up, and we'll incorporate it. Real easy to do, right? Man, I'll tell you what. Now, we'll break them down into meatball-size patties, and we'll chop up the chili pepper. Now, you can use your favorite chili pepper, right? All right, now, let's show you how this goes together. We'll flatten out some burgers. We'll apply some salsa, just like that, right? And again, choose a good salsa, right? Use your favorite salsa. Now, we'll take these fancy-ass cheddar cheese, and we cut them out with an egg ring to make them round. Just makes it easy. And then we'll put on a little bit more salsa. Some of them chopped chili peppers. And we'll roll it. We want to keep the ingredients on the inside. So when you bite into that salsa ball, oh, yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? So, warm it up like that. That's a meatball, all right? Oh, man. These are going to be good. Now, since you already figured out how to do it, we'll speed up this video. We don't want you falling asleep now, right? All right. Now, let's whip up some eggs. And we're going to crush these chips. Now, I guess we're not supposed to say Doritos, right? You know, maybe Frito-Lay will be upset or whatever. But chop up a good salsa chip, just like that. And the tortilla chips work excellent, right? The seasoned tortilla chips. Now, we're going to take these balls and roll them in some egg so it sticks, and then apply the crushed salsa chips, just like that. Oh, that looks good enough to eat already, I'm telling you. Ooh, damn. All right, we'll do it one more time so you don't forget. Again, apply the salsa chips to the meatball. All right, enough of that. Now we're going to place them on the grill. The grill's about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Not super hot. And we'll do it indirect. We don't want to do it over the coals. It'll cook too fast. So we'll do it indirect like an oven. Now, about halfway through, we'll move these balls around a little bit for that even cooking, right? And if you got that OCD going on, well, reach out and move a few more. That's all up to you. Pitmaster privilege, right? Oh, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh, not long to go. And in a miracle of time, these beef and cheese salsa balls are done. We've got an internal temperature of about 160 degrees. We're going to add some more cheese, maybe American and some cheddar, right? Put on some of that fresh pepper. Oh, are you kidding me? It's going to be good, right? I'll pull them off the grill because I'd say it's time to eat. Take a look at that. Now, we know because you're asking, you want to see what it looks like inside, and whoa, take a look at that. And the pitmaster doesn't apologize for eating in front of you. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.